Hi, I'm Chris from Budget Shipping Containers. In this video we're showing you our shelving kits for our flat pack containers. They come in three main pieces. So these are the shelving uprights. You need 2 shelving uprights per set of shelves, and you can have up to 3 shelves per set of uprights. The second pieces are your shelving arms, very sturdy bits of steel. Got a lip at the front to help secure your shelf, and they just clip into place at the back. Finally, these are one of our sump shelves. This is the 1 metre option shelf. We do a 1.9 metre shelving unit as well. To install them, really simple. So take your shelving uprights and you can slot them into any of the outer corrugations. Just like that. It's worth me mentioning, there is a little bit of give in these outer corrugations. You'll also notice that on some of the panels there's a thinner corrugation going on. This is just where 2 sheets of steel have been joined to make the side panel. It's not specifically designed for your shelving uprights, but there is a little bit less wiggle room. We do recommend you might want to chop them with wood just to remove the wiggle room. However, don't hammer them in too hard, otherwise you might damage the side panels on your container. Once you've got those in place, really simple. Those are shelving arms in place. Add your shelf, and we're done. Thanks very much for watching, and please do feel free to check out our other videos online.